Imagine turning an ordinary kitchen floor into a stunning magazine-worthy transformation without touching a single tile, without hiring a contractor, and without spending thousands of dollars. What you are about to see is not traditional renovation. This is AI-powered floor transformation, and the results look shockingly real. In this video, I will show you how to create an amazing floor transformation AI video using free tools. This method works perfectly for content creators, interior designers, real estate marketers, YouTube Shorts creators, and anyone who wants visually stunning renovation videos without real construction. Stay till the end because the final result looks like a professional renovation showcase. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT and sign in if you are not already signed in. Once you are logged in, look at the left panel and click on GPTs. After that, click on Explore GPTs. At the top, you will see the search bar for GPTs. In that search bar, type Floor Transformation. From the results, click on the Floor Transformation GPT and then click on Start Chat. Once the chat opens, click on Start. Now you will see multiple transformation options generated for you. These usually include different rooms and styles. For this video, I am choosing Kitchen. After selecting Kitchen, I will type Option 1. As soon as I submit that, you can see something very powerful happening. ChatGPT is now generating highly detailed image prompts and video prompts specifically designed for floor transformation. This is the most important part of the process. These prompts are what will make your AI images and videos look realistic, cinematic, and professional. Now, scroll up slightly and copy the first image prompt generated by ChatGPT. Next, open Whisk AI in your browser. Sign in with Google if you are not already signed in. Once you are logged in, you will see a text box where you can paste prompts. Paste the first image prompt you copied from ChatGPT into the Whisk AI text box. Now select the aspect ratio as 9:16, which is perfect for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Once everything looks good, click on Generate. Give it a few seconds. And there it is, a beautifully generated kitchen floor image created entirely by AI. Now, download this image to your computer. This image will be used as the base reference to maintain visual consistency across the entire transformation. After downloading, upload this image under the Subject section in Whisk AI. This ensures the AI understands the environment and keeps the design consistent in future images. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the second image prompt. Paste it into Whisk AI and generate the second image. Once it is generated, download it. Click on the plus icon under the Subject section and upload this second image. Make sure this is the only image selected at this moment. This step is extremely important to avoid visual confusion. Next, copy the third image prompt from ChatGPT. Paste it into Whisk AI, generate the image, and download it. Once downloaded, click the plus icon and upload the third image. Again, keep only this image selected. Now, copy the fourth image prompt from ChatGPT. Paste it into Whisk AI, generate the image, and download it to your computer. At this point, you now have a complete sequence of AI-generated images showing different stages of a kitchen floor transformation. Now, it is time to turn these images into realistic AI videos. For this, open Google Flow. Once Google Flow opens, click on New Project. By default, Text to Video is selected. Change this option to Frames to Video. Now, upload the first image as the first frame and the second image as the last frame. Choose the aspect ratio according to your needs. For Shorts and Reels, 9:16 works best. Once everything looks good, click on Go Back to ChatGPT. Scroll down and copy the first video prompt generated by the Floor Transformation GPT. Paste that video prompt into Google Flow and click Generate. Wait a few seconds, and just look at the result. The floor transformation animation looks smooth, realistic, and incredibly professional. Now, repeat the same process. Upload the second image as the first frame and the third image as the last frame. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the second video prompt, paste it into Google Flow, and hit Generate. As you can see, everything is working perfectly. The transformation feels natural, fluid, and visually stunning. Next, upload the third image as the first frame and the fourth image as the last frame. Copy the third video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Google Flow, and generate the video. Notice how smooth the camera movement is. Notice how realistic the lighting and textures look. This is the power of AI when prompts are done correctly. Now, using the last image, we will create one final showcase video. This video will highlight the completed kitchen floor transformation. For this, write a simple but powerful prompt. Drone camera movement showcasing the final floor transformation of the kitchen. Paste this prompt into Google Flow and generate the final clip. Now, download all the generated videos to your computer. At this stage, your AI floor transformation is complete. All that's left is editing. You can combine all these clips using any video editor of your choice. I am using a free video editor called Shotcut. Open Shotcut and import all the video clips. Arrange them in sequence to show the transformation journey from start to finish. If you want, you can add light background music to enhance the viewing experience. Make sure the music is subtle and not distracting. Once everything looks good, export the video in high quality. And here is the final result, a stunning AI-generated floor transformation video that looks like a real renovation project. Now, one important note. Google Flow is not completely free. If you're looking for an alternative, you can give Grok AI a try. Experiment with it and see how the results compare. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Tell me which room transformation you want to see next: kitchen, bedroom, living room, or bathroom. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI content creation tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.